Hi guys, SaVlog here, and I'm doing the 7-day road trip to Slovenia. Today, on day 1, we're going to Savica Waterfall, but now I got a problem. Look at these. I want to go there, no problem, but you see the problem? 20 minutes. Okay guys, I packed my stuff. It's a light backpack, it's okay. 20 minutes. Let's do this. This is so cool. I didn't expect stairs here. I could easily walk steep, but stairs? Damn. Hey, the sun is coming up. Oh my god, I'm here! What? Okay guys, here we go. The Savica Waterfall. We made it! This is so beautiful. Look at this. Oh, I will go in further. I hope you can hear me. It's very low. Oh my god. The water is splashing right here. Look at this! Oh! It's so awesome! Oh my god! Oh! It's so beautiful! Holy! Guys, this is crazy! This is crazy! I wasn't sure about that trip because it was so spontaneous. But when I see this, oh my god, it was the right decision. And when I came here, it rained, and now the sun is coming up right when I'm on the waterfall. And it's so wild. It's like, oh, and the sun is coming up. Oh, look at this. Na, 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 na. Oh. Slap Savica, not like I pronounce it all the time wrong, Savica, it's Savica, and he is 38 meters high. It goes down in total 51 meters into a power plant. And you really should see it yourself and feel it yourself. It's so amazing. And if you're in Slovenia, you need to visit that waterfall. I hope you enjoyed the video. And the word of the video will be waterfall, because it fits. It's in German it's Wasserfall. In Italian it's cascata. And I learned today in Slovenian it's slap Savica. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. Hope you got a great time. I'm out. Bye!